I'm Dr. Kim Butterwick, and I'm going to show you another patient in whom we're going to put Sculptra above her knees. This patient has a different issue. She has some laxity, loose skin, but not the folds like a previous video I showed you. But she's got sort of some cellulite and just needs the skin to be thicker so it doesn't fall into these irregularities. And she's got nice legs, but this type of skin is distressing to patients, and so we'll do a series of Sculptra treatments there. So here we go. What I'm doing is I'm laying down some rows of product, and this is almost like planting little tiny baby little specks, little seeds that will stimulate collagen growth very evenly. So I've just laid down some rows of collagen. Actually, I've just laid down some rows of poly-L-lactic acid, and that little particle is going to stimulate collagen growth. We're just putting this in very evenly.